Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video, we're going to talk about what shampoo do I use when shampoo. Lord have mercy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video, we're going to talk about what shampoo do I use to get the grease out of my hair. I've had a couple of you girls to ask me, well, Nezi, what type of shampoo do you use? I'm going to show you my shampoo that I use, and then I'm going to also show you the collection of my shampoos too. Now I have shown these shampoos in previous videos, but just never together as one, I don't think. So first I'm going to show you the shampoo that I use to remove grease from my hair, and it is the Motions brand. It's Motions Nourish and Care Active Moisture Lavish Shampoo, and it has shea butter, coconut, and olive oils in it, and it's new and improved. And when I tell you girls and guys that this shampoo is the bomb since they improved it, I like this brand way better because, not brand, I like the new and improved shampoo. What is the problem? Get it together, Nezi. I like this new and improved bottle of shampoo better because it's not as harsh as the original. The original was a little bit more drying, and I don't know, it would strip my hair down to the bone. But sometimes I didn't really mind that it did strip my hair down to the bone, because I would sometimes do that. I would strip my hair all the way down to its natural state and then start all over and put my products back in. But in this case here, it doesn't strip it down unless you just say, you know what, I'm just going to shampoo it 3 times. So I usually shampoo my hair once, and if it's really bad, I'll do it 2 or 3 times. And lately I have not been letting my hair get that bad. But like I said earlier, if I want to do a real deep cleanse, I'll do it like maybe 3 times. But yeah, it smells good too. I like the that's what it looks like. It's like pearlesque, and it's just so delightful. So yeah, I like it way better since they improved it. Yeah, I like it a lot. So my second shampoo is the Taliah Waajid Total Body Black Earth Shampoo. This shampoo you can use in your hair and or in your body. This is a black shampoo, and I had this in my declutter video about a year ago, and I was saying that I was gonna probably get rid of it because I didn't like it. Well, over this last year I decided I'm going to keep it, and I do like it. It is a very mild shampoo. It cleanses and conditions, restores moisture, penetrates hair to soften, and eliminates dry hair. This doesn't strip my hair at all when I shampoo it. It does have sulfate in it, but it's not stripping. It's really great. I like this. I like it a lot. I've never used it on my body though. Maybe I'll use it on my body one day. So guys, here goes another shampoo. This is a medicated shampoo, and it's called At One with Nature, and it soothes, invigorates, cleanses, and conditions. It's great for dry, itchy scalp. And yeah, this is a medicated shampoo, and I used to use this when I first started my hair journey. I didn't know how to get my scalp not to itch. I didn't realize at the time when I first got started that my hair was just actually dry. My scalp was dry, so I would use this as to, you know, medicate it and make my scalp feel better. So I said in a previous video that I used to scratch bald spots in my hair, in my scalp rather. I used to scratch, and I would take this shampoo and use it, and I'm telling you guys, this was so tingly and so invigorating and soothing to my scalp, to where like the next day or so I can feel scabs on my hair, on my scalp from me scratching and stuff. Yeah, it sounds kind of gross, but it actually healed those itchy dry spots bald spots that I scratched in my head. So I don't really use it too much now because I know how to balance the moisture in my hair. I did use it for when my edges was really bald. It did stimulate the hair growth around my edges, and I really did like that feeling too. So I need to start using it again because I'm still having some little problem spots, but I don't know. I might not even do anything. So this is great for bald spots too, guys. Here goes another shampoo. It's olive oil or S. This is a sulfate shampoo, and it's creamy and has aloe in it, and it is great. I like this shampoo too. It's very, very mild compared to my Motions, and I like the way it feels on my scalp. It's also got some kind of, I don't know, it just feels good on my hair and scalp. Here goes one of my other favorites. This is Dr. Miracle's. This is a non-sulfate and paraben-free conditioning shampoo, and it has olive and jojoba oil in it, and it revitalizes the scalp. It also has like a little minty feel to it too, and it feels great on the scalp as well, and it does not dry out my hair. This does not dry out my hair. So this is one of my favorite non-sulfate shampoos and paraben-free shampoo. One of these days I will take the tags off of my shampoos. Last but not least, this is my Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo, and it's good for dry and damaged hair. And this is also a non-sulfate shampoo. I've been using this shampoo ever since I started my journey from the beginning, and it's very, very mild. It's a soft lather and it smells good. So yeah, this is one of my favorite shampoos too, and it's one of my staples actually, and I'm never gonna give it up. So guys, that is it as far as my shampoo collection. I hope this answered any of your questions. One of these days, I don't know, I may show you girls and guys how I use my medicated shampoo. Yeah, I'll do that in the future. So now that we got the shampoos out the way, I want to talk to you guys about something that is totally off topic. On tonight's video, I'm going to talk to you about the ACV rinse versus the prepoo, and how I decided to just never to do another ACV rinse ever again and just stick with the prepooing. Now the reason why I've gotten rid of the ACV rinse is because I don't really use them. I'm not drawn to it anymore. So for those who don't know what an ACV rinse is, ACV means apple cider vinegar rinse. And it's just a little mixture of apple cider vinegar and your favorite oil and some water and some other stuff that you want to put in your mix. It's great for cleansing the scalp. It's great for adding moisture. It's great for laying your cuticles back down, because when your cuticles are lifted, that means that your hair is not really retaining moisture. I don't use it anymore because I replaced it with the prepoo. I didn't realize I was replacing it with the prepoo, but actually I have. Now, what made me stop using the ACV rinse? I stopped using the ACV rinse because I think it's because of the vinegar. I don't like that vinegar smell. I don't want to be sprayed down with no vinegar on my scalp. It just smells bad. And also, I used to make a ACV rinse mixture and just let it sit. After a while, the vinegar goes sour and it does something and it burns and it's like, ew. So I don't really need that anymore because I do prepoos. I prefer prepoos a little bit more. Alright guys, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.